learn how to take attendance on the Google Meet. Simply start your browser, type Google Meet attendance. You'll find extensions. You just simply add it to the Chrome. I have added this extension. Now taking an attendance is another issue because most of us are going online teaching. So this will make directly record, no need to take extra efforts to take the attendance. Now I am starting a Google meeting. Now I will join this meeting from another account also. To avoid disturbance, I will switch off my microphone. So here you can see now 2 people are there in the meeting. This is me only from 2 different accounts. You can see here the bar of Google attendance. Now here it is the spreadsheet. If I want to make a new spreadsheet, this attendance will go off, and now from this time onwards it's marked. Suppose if your meeting is very lengthy, you want to make separate sessions and you want to mark the different attendance, so that time you can press here. Otherwise simply this attendance will be saved automatically. Here you can see the attendance is marked, 2 participants are present. Now I will simply open my Google Drive. I will find that the attendance is saved into the Google Drive. This is meeting attendance. You can see the timing of the meeting. It's 12:53. Today's date, meeting link. I had a previous meeting also, that's why 2 meetings are shown here. So you will get time, you will get the link, you will get the name of participants, those who have attended the meeting. So it's very simple. If you want, you can add a row, you can add name of your lecture. If you have named your meeting, automatically name of meeting will come. So this way you can track your lecture attendance. Hope this video is useful for all.